welcome to Irene EE channel in Can Eat or Not. I will try to cook a new menu that I never cooked before, and today I will cook Jajangmyeon. Jajangmyeon is Korean food. I don't know why I always cook Korean food, often cook Korean food, but I have no idea about other menu, so it's always go for the Korean food. But before we will go to see the ingredient and how am I gonna cook, could you please subscribe my channel, like and share this video, please? Please. Okay, if you already subscribe my channel, like and share this video. Okay, let's go to see how am I gonna cook Jajangmyeon together. Let's go. For the first step in cooking Jajangmyeon, we have to marinate the pork first. Just put the pork in the bowl, and then put a bit of pepper and salt, and then put the sake. It's like rice seasoning or sake, around 1 tablespoon. And then we will leave it for around 10 minutes. For the first step, we have to set a pan in the middle power and then put a bit of oil. After the pan is getting hot, you can put a Korean black bean paste. And then put the sugar around 1.5 tablespoons. Try to take the oil as less as you can.
All around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought 'twas all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel. A penny for a spool of thread, a tuppence for a needle. That's the way the money goes.
After that, we will fry a pork that we already marinated.
All around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey
Then put an onion and potato. Then put a cabbage and mushroom. And then put the water.
all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel.
Then put the seasoning powder. Actually, you can put the chicken stock instead of the normal water. but I put just a normal water, so I need to put a seasoning powder. And 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce. And then put this one. And then put the tapioca flour. For the last section, I will let my mom taste jajangmyeon and then give the point from 10 score. And before we will eat it, we have to mix it together. Okay. น่าลองกินดูดิเพราะมันอร่อย Can you guess this is delicious or not?เต็ม10 คะแนน ให้เท่าไหร่
6 คะแนน
อะไรนะ She give like 10 no She give 6 point from 10 score I think so just maybe 6 if I give it's not really delicious for me I think it's better than bibimbap that I used to cook in the first video Actually, it's not bad. Okay, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share this video, please. And you can recommend me how to cook jajangmyeon, yeah, how to cook jajangmyeon to in the delicious taste. How to cook it to delicious? I don't know how to make it delicious. So let's see what menu that I'm gonna cook in the next episode. For today, bye bye. สวัสดีค่ะ บ๊ายบาย